So where you see people using different dance moves and facial replacement, facial recognition, in a sense, to put one face on another face, these things are called deepfake technology. And the way deepfake technology works is it takes or it makes realistic looking images, videos, and different types of visuals and just artificially enhance them for realism. So they use something called GANs, which is, what is GANs? GANs is Generative Adversarial Networks. And the way that works is that you have a generator, which you hear us talk about a lot, video generators, image generators, audio generators, etc. But you also have what they call a discriminator.